Okay, we're going to start by opening up Firefox and going to the following web page: githubs.com Torvalds Linux. Here we're going to download the generic Linux. Okay, we download the zip file. This download is gonna take long, so okay, let's save it. Okay, as I was saying, this download is gonna take long, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pause the video and I'm gonna come back when the video is already downloaded. I mean the file is already downloaded. Okay, the file's here, so now we're gonna go to the terminal and we're gonna go to documents to create a new directory. We're gonna call it Linux development. I mean, you can call it however you want. I'm gonna call it Linux development. Okay, let's open documents again to make sure it's there. Okay, it's right there, Linux development. Now we close it. We open up the file that we just downloaded. Okay, and now we're going to extract it. Click extract, and we're going to search for the directory we just created, Linux development. Okay, extract again. Let's wait for the file to extract. Okay, so already downloaded. We're gonna close it. We're gonna open the terminal again to check that all the files are there. We go to Documents, Linux development. Okay, inside it there's Linux master. We're gonna open that too. Okay, this is everything we want. Okay, so now we can close the terminal and close all the other files we had open. Okay, now we're going to open the terminal again. We're going to download a specific Linux distribution. We're going to type in sudo apt-get install get. This is the source management tool. Okay, and then we're going to type sudo apt-get install lsup. Now we're going to type in git clone git github.com BeagleBoard kernel.git. This is to clone into the kernel. Okay, now we open up the kernel and we type in git checkout 3.8. Type in git okay, let's type it now. It says git checkout 3.8. Okay, we're already on 3.8. So now we're going to type /patch.sh. Now we're going to type the following to get the specific configuration information. We're going to type in cp config bigabon kernel arm configs bigabon underscore defconfig. Okay, and now we're gonna type wget http oragoprojects.org. Okay, typing this, you have to make sure you type exactly as I'm typing it, because it have a lot of backslash and forward slashes, so you don't get confused with them. /cm3.get backslash semicolon a equals block underscore plain backslash again semicolon f equals bin forward slash am335x pm firmware.bin backslash semicolon. Okay, now we're gonna open the terminal again to download the Ubuntu for Bigabon Black. We type in sudo apt-get update. We enter the passcode. This is gonna take long, so I'll pause the video. And now we're going to download the libraries to create the graphic toolkit. So it's sudo apt-get install libgtk 2.0 -dev, libglib 2.0 -dev, and libglay2 -dev. Make sure the last library is 2, not 2.0. Okay, so now we're going to add the new hardware features, alpha and beta. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the kernel so you can see how it looks before we modify it. It's documents. We go to the directory we created, Linux development. We search for the kernel. Kernel again. We open up ARM. Here we're gonna find Mac OMAP 2 and open it. And now we're gonna open the kconfig. We cat kconfig. Okay, this is kconfig. Let's scroll all the way up. Okay, the new hub features we're gonna add is gonna be between the menu and the config right here. So let's close it. Okay. Let's go to Documents, Linux Development, Kernel, pretty much the same patch we followed before, ARM. Here we're gonna find Mac on Map 2. It's right here. And here we're gonna find the kconfig. Okay, here we're gonna add the two features. We're gonna type in config r alpha, or the name you want to use, bool alpha, I'm going to put help, and here we're going to type a message. We're going to say select this option alpha, and select this option for alpha hardware support. And then we're going to do the same for beta. Config r beta, bool beta, help, and you're going to type the same thing. Select this option for beta hardware support. Okay, let me check everything is correct. Oh, I'm missing an E. Okay, now it's good. Okay, let's save it, close, now we're going to open the terminal again. Let's close this, open up the terminal, and we're going to open kconfig again. Say Documents, Linux distribution, Linux development. We're going to open the kernel again, here we're going to open ARM. We're going to look for Mac Map 2, and we're going to open it. And we're going to open the kconfig, cat kconfig. Okay, we're going to go up, and those are the two new features that we just added, alpha and beta. Okay, now let's go down. Let's go open the terminal again, and we're going to open Documents, Linux Development. Now we're going to open the editor. Then we're going to go into the kernel again, and here we're going to type make gconfig src arc equals r. and this is the editor. Okay, now if it's the first time you're gonna add in a feature, you're gonna go to System Type, ARM System Type. You're gonna go all the way down. You're gonna find TIO map. You double click. And then you're gonna expand TIO map 234. And there's alpha and beta. Now you're gonna double click beta if it's the one that you want to use, and now it's ready to use. And this is the message we write when we're writing on the kconfig. So whatever you write is gonna appear here. Okay, we close. You click OK. Okay, that's it. These are the steps to add new hardware features for the ARM platform. I hope you enjoy it and you can use it. Thank you.